everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. Thank you for taking this time to grow your English and your confidence. Seriously, every time you show up like this, you're doing something wonderful for your future.
And I'm Jack. Hello. I'm excited and also a little nervous because today's topic is one of my favorites, but also one of the topics where I talk too much.
That is true. Today we're talking about your hobbies. How to talk about them, how to describe what you like, and how to use natural English to sound friendly and confident.
Hobbies are great because they show who you are. They're fun, personal, and easy to talk about even when you're shy.
Exactly. And this is part of our Everyday English Conversations playlist, where we teach you the real English people use in daily life, at work, at school, meeting friends, or talking to someone new.
And hey, if you have a cool hobby, tell us in the comments after the video. We love reading about your lives.
Yes, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with someone who wants to sound more natural in English.
So, Jack, imagine you meet someone new. They ask, "What do you do in your free time?" What do you say?
Oh, my free time. Very rare, very precious. Well, I might say, I like playing guitar. Or, I enjoy cooking. Or, I love watching movies.
That's perfect. Natural, simple, friendly. 3 useful starter verbs are I like, I enjoy, I love. They're easy and work for any hobby.
But sometimes learners say things like, in my free time, I do the activity of the musical instrument.
No. You don't need anything complicated. Just be natural.
So I should not say, I strongly appreciate the experience of consuming cinematic content.
Please no. Just say, I like watching movies.
So much easier.
Yes.
Let's talk about some common hobbies and how to describe them. For example, I like reading. I enjoy cooking. I love drawing. Short, clear, perfect for conversations.
And you can add a little extra detail, right?
Exactly. For example, I like reading mystery books. I enjoy cooking Italian food. I love drawing animals.
Ooh, let me try. I like playing guitar, but I'm not very good. That's honest, right?
Very honest. And that kind of detail is cute and real. People love that.
Another example. I enjoy taking photos when I travel. I like running in the morning. I love gardening.
Yes, and learners, think about your real hobbies, the things that make you smile. It doesn't have to be special. Even simple hobbies are great.
Yeah, like I like sleeping. I love eating. I enjoy doing nothing.
Those are not hobbies, Jack.
They are for me. My soul needs naps.
Now, another great way to talk about hobbies is explain why you like them.
Yes. This makes conversations deeper.
Exactly. For example, I like reading because it helps me relax. I enjoy cooking because it's creative. I love hiking because I like being in nature.
Let me try. I like music because it makes me calm. I love traveling because I enjoy meeting new people. I like gaming because, well, it's fun.
Perfect. See? Very natural.
And you, Emma, why do you like your hobbies?
Well, I love baking because it makes me feel peaceful. And I like walking because it clears my mind.
And because you get ideas for new videos every time you walk.
That's true. Walking helps your brain breathe. You can also talk about hobbies you want to try. This is great for conversation.
Yes, like, I want to learn how to dance. I want to start painting. I want to try yoga.
Exactly. It's a friendly way to keep the conversation going.
I have one. I want to learn how to cook without burning everything.
That is a wonderful goal.
I also want to try rock climbing, but I'm scared of heights. So maybe not.
You don't have to be good. You just have to be open. Another great thing you can do is share a small story. Not a long story, just 1 or 2 sentences.
Like a mini story?
Exactly. Something like, when I was a kid, I loved drawing superheroes. Last year, I started taking photography classes. Last month, I tried dancing for the first time.
Let me tell one. One time, I tried baking cookies, and I forgot the sugar.
They tasted like sadness.
Yes, so much sadness.
But see, stories make your conversation memorable. They show you're human.
And a little chaotic, in my case.
You can also talk about how good you are at your hobby. You can say, I'm just a beginner. I'm still learning. I'm pretty good. I've been doing it for a long time.
I love this. For example, I'm a beginner at guitar. I've been studying languages for many years. I'm still learning how to cook.
Yes, it's very natural.
And I can say, I'm terrible at dancing, but I enjoy it. That's honest, right?
Very honest. And that's totally okay. You don't need to be good to enjoy a hobby.
True. Hobbies are for joy, not perfection.
Now, let's talk about asking someone about their hobbies. Here are easy questions. What do you like to do? What are your hobbies? What do you do in your free time? Do you play any sports? Do you enjoy reading? What kind of music do you like?
These questions are great for starting conversations with new people.
Yes, and you can follow up with simple reactions. That's cool. Really, tell me more. I like that too. I've never tried that.
Let's practice. Emma, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and baking.
Ooh, what kind of books do you like?
I like mystery and fantasy.
Ooh, magic and crime. Very exciting.
Now let's practice a natural flow. I'll say a short example conversation.
And I'll react like a real learner.
Ready?
Ready.
Hi, I'm Emma. In my free time, I enjoy cooking and walking. I like listening to music because it helps me relax. I want to try learning Spanish this year.
That sounds so natural. Let me try. Hi, I'm Jack. I like playing the guitar. I enjoy watching movies. I'm a beginner at cooking. I want to learn how to dance. Maybe.
Perfect. And learners, you can follow this same structure. Name, hobbies, why you like them, something you want to try.
It's like a mini story about you.
Exactly. Simple words, natural rhythm. I want to say something important. You do not need interesting hobbies.
Yes, your hobbies don't need to be special or cool.
You can say, I like watching YouTube. I enjoy relaxing at home. I like walking in the park. Real life is simple. Real English is simple too.
Exactly. Nobody needs to say, I collect rare butterfly stamps from the Amazon rainforest.
Unless you really do.
If you do, please comment. I want to meet you.
Learners, remember, when you talk about your hobbies, you are not just speaking English. You are sharing your life.
And that's beautiful. People want to know the real you.
So don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to sound perfect. Sound human.
Yes, speak slowly, smile, and enjoy the conversation.
So today we learned how to talk about your hobbies in natural English. You can use simple phrases like I like, I enjoy, I love. You can add reasons, small stories, and your personal feelings.
And you can talk about hobbies you want to try, hobbies from your childhood, or things you're still learning. Everything counts.
Remember, hobbies help people connect with you. They show who you are.
And they're fun. Talking about hobbies is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation.
So we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
And don't be shy. Even simple things like walking, cooking, listening to music, these are great hobbies to share.
Thank you for learning with us today. You're doing something wonderful for yourself. Keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in your English.
And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's learning English too.